What are the benefits of charging my laptop with a USB-C cable?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss the benefits of charging your laptop with a USB-C cable. It's a revolution in the tech world, making our digital lives simpler and more streamlined. So, let's dive right in.
What is USB-C?
First things first. What exactly is USB-C? Simply put, USB-C, or USB Type-C, is a type of USB, Universal Serial Bus, connector that's becoming the standard for charging and transferring data for many devices, including laptops. Its distinguishing features include a reversible connector, fast data transfer rates, and more power delivery compared to its predecessors.
Why should I charge my laptop with a USB-C cable?
Here's where the fun begins. There are several benefits to using a USB-C cable to charge your laptop. 1. Universal compatibility. USB-C is becoming the new standard for many devices, meaning you'll likely be able to use the same charger for your laptop, phone, and tablet. 2. Fast charging. USB-C supports USB power delivery, USB PD, a fast charging standard that can deliver up to 100 watts of power, much more than older USB types. This means your laptop will charge faster. 3. Data transfer. While charging your laptop, you can also use the same cable to transfer data at high speeds if your devices support USB 3.1 or later. 4. Reversible connector. No more fumbling around trying to plug your cable in the right way. The USB-C connector is reversible, making it user-friendly and hassle-free.
Any drawbacks to using USB-C for laptop charging?
While there are clear benefits, it's important to note that there can be a few potential downsides. Not all devices are USB-C compatible yet. You'll need to ensure your laptop supports USB-C charging. USB-C cables and chargers can be more expensive than their older counterparts due to the newer technology. There are variations in the quality of USB-C cables and chargers, so it's crucial to purchase from a reputable manufacturer. So, should you charge your laptop with a USB-C cable? Absolutely. As long as your laptop supports it, using a USB-C cable for charging brings the advantages of universal compatibility, fast charging, simultaneous data transfer, and user-friendly design. Just be mindful of the potential drawbacks and make sure you're purchasing quality equipment. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Until next time, stay charged and stay connected.